Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the air gently caressing your skin, the subtle rhythm of your breath moving in and out without any effort at all. You're here, now, fully present, and in this moment, everything you need is already within you. Allow your awareness to soften, to drift, to let go of any tension held in your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. The breath each exhale, imagine releasing any resistance, any doubt, any story that no longer serves you. And with each inhale, feel a fresh wave of possibility entering your being, like sunlight streaming through a window you forgot was open. Now, bring your attention to your breath, not to change it, but simply to notice it. Notice the coolness at the tip of your nose as you breathe in, the warmth as you breathe out. And as you continue this gentle observation, you might notice that your breathing begins to deepen, to slow, to find its own natural rhythm of ease. Where in your body do you feel that energy? Perhaps it's a warmth in your chest, a tingling in your hands, a lightness in your step. Focus on that sensation now, and as you breathe into it, allow it to grow, to expand, to fill every cell of your being with that vibrant, alive feeling of motivation. You are not just remembering it, you are re-experiencing it, reliving it, making it real in this moment. And as you feel this energy, I'm going to touch your thumb and forefinger together, creating an anchor, a simple gesture that will instantly reconnect you to this state whenever you choose. Feel the pressure of that touch, the connection, and know that this gesture is now linked to this feeling of unstoppable drive. Now, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let that memory fade into the background, knowing that the feeling remains anchored within you. Now, I want you to imagine a new scene. You are standing at the edge of a vast, open landscape, the sun rising before you, casting golden light across the horizon. You feel a gentle breeze at your back, pushing you forward, and in front of you, a path unfolds, clear and inviting. This path represents your journey of motivation and inner drive. And as you walk, you notice a light within you beginning to glow, a bright, radiant light that is your motivation, your inner drive, your passion for life. With every step, that light grows brighter, warmer, more powerful, until it illuminates the entire path before you. You are walking in your own brilliance, guided by your own inner fire. I want you to repeat these words silently in your mind with full conviction. I am a wellspring of motivation. My drive flows freely and effortlessly. Every cell in my body is aligned with my purpose. I am energized, focused, and unstoppable. Feel those words resonate deep within you, as if they are not just words, but truths that have always been true. Your subconscious mind is now absorbing these affirmations, integrating them into the very fabric of your being. With each breath, you are becoming more motivated. With each exhale, you release any hesitation, any procrastination, any doubt that once held you back. And with each inhale, you breathe in a fresh wave of energy, of purpose, of action. Our walk, you are not waiting for motivation to arrive. You are motivation itself. Your inner drive is a constant, reliable companion, always there, always ready, always guiding you forward. Now, imagine yourself in a situation where you previously felt stuck or unmotivated. But now, as you bring this anchor, touching your thumb and forefinger together, you feel that surge of motivation rising within you. The hour. You are now taking action with ease. With the fall for the send-avant, makes every step meaningful. Fall stack. Kill the chop every step. Thor host. The store is doing side and the side in Nasarly, and motivation and motivage, and my force but sates into fall. This is your new reality. Hey, your subconscious mind is learning that motivation is always accessible, always at your fingertips. Now, this is your new reality. Your subconscious mind is learning that motivation is always accessible, always at your fingertips. And as you continue to breathe, you might notice a warmth spreading through your chest, a tingling in your hands, a lightness in your being. This is the energy of motivation, alive and active within you. You can feel it pulsing with every heartbeat, flowing through every vein, lighting up every nerve. Your body is now a vessel for this energy, and it knows exactly how to channel it into action. You are a natural mover, a natural doer, a natural creator of your life. Now, I want you to repeat these words again with even deeper conviction. My motivation is limitless. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine a wave of golden light washing over you, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. This light is pure motivation, pure drive, pure energy. It cleanses away any remnants of inertia, any traces of doubt. And as it passes, you are left feeling refreshed, renewed, and incredibly alive. Slough, you are now a beacon of motivation, radiating this energy into every area of your life. Now, imagine your day ahead, but with this new state of being. See yourself waking up with a sense of purpose, feeling excited about the possibilities that await. See yourself moving through your tasks with focus and efficiency, each action infused with meaning. See yourself overcoming obstacles with grace, using your inner drive as a compass that always points toward growth. This is not a fantasy. It is your new reality, already unfolding. Your subconscious mind is now creating the neural pathways that will make this experience natural and effortless. And as you continue to breathe, you might notice a sense of gratitude rising within you. Gratitude for this moment, for this transformation, for the infinite potential that resides within you. Gratitude amplifies motivation, turning it into a sustainable, joyful. Now, I want you to repeat these final affirmations, speaking them as if they are already true, as if they have always been true. I am motivated. I am driven. I am energized. I take action with ease. I am aligned with my purpose. My inner fire burns brightly, guiding me every step of the way. I am unstoppable. And the four deep with Defor, they are whole land. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, feel a sense of completion, of wholeness, of readiness. And as you prepared its seeds of motivation and inner drive deep within your subconscious, and they are already beginning to sprout. You are not the same person who began this meditation. You are more alive, more focused, more empowered. And as you prepare to return to your day, know that this state is always accessible always within you, ready to be activated with a simple breath, a simple touch, a simple thought. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes